What can we expect, from Power in the next, 5 to 10 years if we kind of, fast forward?
What I would love for this to look like on the supply side, or the pharma and biotech side, is something almost like fulfilled by Amazon, but for clinical trials, right? Like how can we, if we've built the tech that's powering these clinics, and collected all the data on where patients are and which doctors and physicians are most responsive and who's enrolling, how can we use that to help new companies who are trying to bring a novel drug to market to really easily run their first few trials and do that in a pretty hands-off way? Right now, the companies who facilitate this use tons of humans, and there is a lot there, but I think eventually it could broadly be handled by software. And then on the patient side, I think a thing we say internally, is that very often patients are looking for treatment, not for trials, right? Like the trial is a way for them to get help. Um, and so in that vein, I think we start to think about, are there other, we're presenting clinical trials right now. Do we actually need to support other interventions, right? Okay, you're coming to us. Maybe you're looking for a trial, but maybe just your SSRI isn't working, and the best option for you is actually a different approved therapy. How can we maybe work with existing marketplaces to make a referral or find some other way to ensure that patient is getting the best help possible? I think the thing that is enduring in the world in this space is the one that isn't committed to just approved drugs or just clinical trials, but is really focused on like what is the most helpful thing for the patient. How will they best heal?